It has never been easier to join the financial market and cryptocurrency in one digital wallet. See for yourself just how convenient and simple it is. Your first step is website registration. Enter your personal details and accept the terms and conditions of use. After completing the registration process, please activate your account by clicking the link which was sent to your email address. Your second step is to deposit into your LXR account. Our platform works only with the LXR currency unit, so all the transactions inside the ecosystem are carried out by it. In order to buy LXR, you may proceed to the My Score section, where you can fund your balance with any cryptocurrency listed. You may also do it with the help of your leader, or by using the perfect money. Let's take Bitcoin for example. Enter the amount of LXR you want to buy and click the deposit button. You may use the QR code or the link to complete the transaction. Proceed to blockchain.com, paste the link, and send the necessary amount of funds. Now you're an LXR holder and can multiply your funds by opening the deposit. Your third step is the deposit program. In order to open the deposit, you may proceed to the portfolio section. Enter the desired amount of LXR and choose the term of deposit. The longer the period is, the more you will earn a day. Yes, you can earn 1.1% a day if you deposit it for 180 days. Below you may see an expected income. Press the Make Portfolio button. Now you have the contract with all the information you need. You can open as many deposits as you would like and take part in our partner program to earn even more LXR. Proceed back to the My Score section in order to transfer coins inside the ecosystem by simply copying your digital wallet address. Become a part of the global Hooplex society now. Hooplex, unlimited freedom. One of the main goals of Hooplex is to make LXR's technologies popular among the international community by providing various ways to earn money. There is a deposit program within the community which allows multiplying an internal currency, LXR. Deposit program. To our partners, we are offering 6 different options. You may choose from a term from 30 to 180 days. The longer your contract is, the more money you will make. You will get 0.7% of the total amount of your deposit a day by choosing the 30-day term, and have 1.1% of everyday profit by choosing the 180-day option. There is also an opportunity to terminate your portfolio prematurely. However, you ought to pay a fee. Get your accruals on a daily basis, which could be converted to any cryptocurrency later. You are free to choose out of any of the 6 options and the number of deposited funds as well. All your deposited funds will be returned by the end of the term. Please note that the minimal amount of deposit is 50 LXR. Additional referral bonuses. You can earn even more with additional bonuses. The longer your contract is, the more bonuses you will have. For example, there will be an additional 0.25% of the total sum for the 90-day contract and 0.4% for the 180 days contract. After 30 days of your portfolio lifetime, you may have additional accruals every 10 days. Referral programs. The company provides everyone an opportunity to create a profitable business in the Hooplex international community. By developing the community, you are helping to make LXR technology popular and its members financially independent. In this case, the company uses the most effective and practical method, network marketing. The referral program is designed up to 7 levels deep and has 5 career statuses. A1. You have 3 levels of depth on this particular rank. By inviting a partner via your personal referral link, you will get 3% of your partner's total deposit. On the second level, if your first-line partner invited somebody else, you will get 2% of this total deposit as well. The third level allows you to get 1% of the total deposit from the person who is in your third line now. The weekly limit for referral withdrawal on this rank is 300 LXR. The weekly limit is the number of funds for conversion into another currency in the LXR equivalent. B2. There are 4 levels available on a B2 rank. You will have 4% on the first level, 2% on the second one, and 1% on the third and fourth levels as well. 2 conditions should be met in order to move to the B2 rank. The first one is the contribution of your structure members, which has to be 3,000 LXR or more. For example, it might be one partner with a 3,000 LXR deposit, or 10 partners with 300 LXR. A second condition is a number of active members of your structure. On this rank, it has to be 10 or more. The weekly limit for referral withdrawal on this rank is 500 LXR. C3. On this rank, you are profiting from 5 levels of your structure. You will get 5% from your first level, 3% from your second, 2% from the third, and 1% from both the fourth and fifth level. You may move to the C3 rank if you have a turnover of more than 50,000 LXR and 100 active members. The weekly limit for referral withdrawal on this rank is 3,000 LXR. D4. Here, there are benefits from all 6 levels of your structure. The first level is 6%. The second is 3%. The third is 2%. And 1% of deposits from the 4th, 5th, and 6th levels. You will be promoted to this rank by achieving a 500,000 LXR turnover and having 1,000 active users in your structure. The weekly limit for referral withdrawal on this rank is 10,000 LXR. E5. On this highest rank, there are 7 levels of the structure available. 7% from the deposit of your first level partner, 5% from the second level, 3% from the third, 2% from the fourth, and 1% from the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th levels. To achieve E5 rank, you need to have 3 million of LXR turnover in your structure and 3,000 active partners. The weekly limit for referral withdrawal on this rank is 30,000 LXR. Become a certified ambassador of LXR and get even more from this partner program. Hooplex Unlimited Freedom.